Hi, and welcome to Rainforest Run, starring me, Crystal. I found some water, as you can see. It's the only water I can drink. So today, I'm going to teach you how to make this water clean. That leopard's annoying. This is all I have to use. A watering can I found previously in one of our episodes. Tissue, flintstones, rumble twigs good for making fires, and a torch. First, you need to pour this water in here. This is the result I got. Sipping it in a tissue always helps. Look at the difference. Still dirty bits. This is a powered torch. You power it. As you can see, this water needs burning. Go away, leopard! Go away, leopard! This leopard is stalking me. I named it Bob. So I must start a fire to burn out the microorganisms. I'm fixing the water. This is water perfectly good for drinking. I'm saving it for later. Well, that's the episode of Rainforest Run. Hope you enjoyed it. What is all been doing to burn yourself?